Due to increased life expectancy, the global population of people the age of 60 or older is projected to rise from 9 million to 2 billion between 2015 and 2050, making the elderly the fastest growing age group.
If you are one of the billions of people experiencing aging, you are not alone. As we age, various neurological changes tend to occur, the most frightening of which is that our brains tend to shrink. Our brains are made up of billions of neurons. Each neuron has dendrites. Each dendrite connects neighboring neurons to each other. They're kind of like this tree. If the base of the tree is the neuron, then the branches are the dendrites. The more branches you have, the more connections you can make to other neurons. As we learn new things and make new memories, we're creating more and more branches. So, dendrites and neurons are very important for cognitive functioning. You've probably heard the phrase, if you don't use it, you'll lose it. The same is true for our brains. At least it is according to researchers from the University of Oslo. These researchers put together a group of middle and older-aged adults into an 8-week memory training program aimed at increasing verbal source memory. At the end of the training period, researchers found that participants had increased memory ability and had increased brain mass. But don't worry, you don't have to be a part of a memory training boot camp in order to prevent cognitive aging deficits.
Excuse me, do anti-aging creams actually help?
How old are you?
I'm 40.
Well, anti-aging creams don't help your brain. Well, as you age, the cortical volume changes that you will experience are really not that big of a deal, especially when you consider that the effects of this neuronal loss is not functionally significant to your memory or your behavior. And there are various preventative measures that you can take in order to prevent cognitive aging deficits.
Like what?
Researchers at the University of Illinois at the Beckman Institute found that exercise has a positive impact on aging.
But what about people who don't exercise?
Well, there's still hope for you if you don't exercise yet. Researchers from the Salk Institute for Biological Studies found that physical activity may result in neurogenesis within the hippocampus, an area associated with memory processing. These researchers analyzed brain mass and cognitive abilities of mice before and after exercise. They found that exercise reversed age-related decline in the hippocampus by 50%. So you may actually be able to increase your brain volume by exercising. Researchers from the Albert Einstein College of Medicine found that leisure activities such as reading, playing board games, playing musical instruments, and dancing may have a protective effect on cognition. So, cancel your Netflix account and pick up an educational hobby.
So all you're saying is that I need to exercise and read a book or something and I won't age as quickly?
Research is definitely pointed in that direction. Although it is not 100% guaranteed that doing these things will stave off dementia or Alzheimer's, results from various studies suggest that mental and physical exercise have great potential to keep the mind young. There are many factors that affect the way we age. One thing you can look forward to as you age is that research will grow and new information and preventative measures are sure to come to light.
And remember, aging doesn't always have to be a scary thing. Look at me. I'm the age of 40 and I look and feel like I'm the age of 22.